everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chubby Girl. I am Arpita Gejji and thank you so much for showing such an amazing love and support for all my previous videos, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So this will be a second episode of a series called as Cook with Arpita, where I'll be sharing an amazing food recipe, that is Paneer Dum Biryani. Trust me guys, this will taste same like restaurant and you will not regret if you try this recipe. So without wasting any more time, let's dig into the recipe.
So in this video, I'll be sharing an amazing food recipe, that is Paneer Dum Biryani recipe. For this, you will require 200 grams of paneer, uncooked rice, roughly chopped onions and tomatoes and some curd, 1 inch of ginger and 2 to 3 of garlic. And you will also require ghee, jeera, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, sugar and freshly chopped coriander. In spices, you will require bay leaf, red chili, some cashew nuts, star, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, lemon and some Kasturi Methi. And also you will require these fried onions. To prepare this, just thinly slice the onions and deep fry it until they are crispy golden brown. Next, this is very important ingredient for this Paneer Dum Biryani, that is charcoal. Without this, we cannot give that smoky flavor to our biryani. Next step is to prepare this Paneer Dum Biryani. First we need to cook the rice. For that, take a pressure cooker, add 1.5 glass of water to it, add 2 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 1 cardamom, half of star, 2 to 3 of cloves, a slice of lemon and a full spoon of ghee to it. Add chopped coriander, add half teaspoon of salt to it. Now I am adding a glass of rice to it. Since I took a glass and a half of water, now I am adding a glass of rice to it. Now give it a quick mix, close the lid and make it 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let it cool for 10 minutes and just check on it whether the rice is cooked properly. Give it a nice mix. So the rice is ready. Next step is to prepare the curry. For curry, just heat the paneer for around 1 minute. Take a kadai, add 2 full spoon of ghee and add some oil too. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera, roughly chopped 2 onions and 2 tomatoes, to this add 1 inch of ginger and 2 to 3 of garlic. Give it a mix. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 red chili, 1 cinnamon, few cashew nuts, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of sugar, and mix it really well. Add a glass of water to it, around 500 ml of water. Close the lid and let it boil for around 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let it cool for few more minutes. Now take a grinder, pour that mixture to it, blend it until it's a fine paste. Now take a bowl, add that paste to it. Add half cup of curd to it, so to balance these spices. Now at this stage, even you can add salt to it. add freshly chopped coriander, some fried onions and paneer. Give it a quick mix. So now we are done with curry. The next part is to layer them. Lastly, add a few Kasturi Methi on it. And your curry is ready. Now take a kadai, add a spoon of ghee at the bottom, pour the mixture. Actually we need to make a layer, so I'm just adding a few portion of curry. Spread it evenly. Now add a layer of rice to it. Add freshly chopped coriander and some fried onions. Now again layer it with the curry and again rice, fresh coriander and fried onions. Repeat the steps. So the layering is over now. Add a full spoon of ghee at the top. Place the pan on the gas. On that, keep this kadai. Now we need to seal this kadai so that the air does not go outside from the kadai. Actually, I am using the normal chapati dough. You can use any dough. Now close this. Make sure that the air does not go outside from the kadai. Seal it very properly and let it heat for around 15 minutes on this pan. After 15 minutes, open the lid of this kadai. The next step is very important because we are giving that smoky flavor to this biryani. Place a bowl in the middle of this biryani. Add this live charcoal to it. Add a half teaspoon of ghee on this charcoal. Close the lid immediately and let that smoke go into the biryani for around 4 minutes. And tada, your Paneer Dum Biryani is ready. Actually, the dum means the smoky flavor. It looks same like restaurant.
So you all saw the recipe of Paneer Dum Biryani. Now let's taste this. Look at this, man. This biryani looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste actually.
I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. I don't know where you take me. I don't know where you take me. I just want
This Paneer Dum Biryani is freaking tasty and yummy. Trust me guys, if you just try this recipe at home, you gonna love this recipe and you will thank me later for this. It has exact flavors and it has some unique flavor actually. I guess it's because of that charcoal. It's giving an unique flavor to it. It's same like restaurant, and yes, I can agree with you. It will take a bit time to prepare, but once it is prepared, you will love it. And one plus point is that guys, it's a homemade one. The love and the efforts you put while cooking this Paneer Dum Biryani will give an extra flavor to this recipe. I can assure you that all your relatives, friends and family gonna love this recipe. I suggest you to try this recipe once and tag me on my Instagram handle. I'll be linking down my Instagram link in the description box so that you guys can follow me there. So that's all about this video. I really hope you liked the recipe of Paneer Dum Biryani. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Please share this recipe with all your relatives, friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.